Hey guys, so I was in bed all day today. I posted and told you guys, I believe. Uh, so I saw that we were going to correct. Um, just using my 4 hour Stoke model, like I said, the Stoke's been locked in, right? So we got to this top, we started turning south, and unfortunately, just because I was sick in bed, I couldn't give you guys any sort of video update. Hopefully, I mean, this is why like Flux Trading Group is good. The premium group really is important because members of the premium group, not newer members who just signed up, but like people who've been in a while probably saw, hey, if Jesse was here right now, he would be telling us that there's a really good chance we're going to reverse and go down here, right? So the whole point is like you don't have to wait for me to tell you what to do. You know what to do on your own. You know to close out trades. Like I closed a big trade up here because I knew we were going to dip. I was just sick in bed, so I couldn't notify you guys. Normally, I would have, obviously, right? Um, so I did really well on my trades. I got out near the top. I left some of them open. I left open FTM, so this dip, I'm just letting it ride because I don't think it's going to go all the way down and hit my entry. My stop loss is up here at my entry. I think I locked in like 1 or 2% profit, but um, I'm not going to go through all of them, but you know what I mean, right? You guys get the point. If you're in basic and you can't afford to sign up for premium, don't. Like I totally get it. I share lots of free educational content, but if you can afford to, that's one of the reasons it's worth it. Cake, I haven't closed yet. It's down a bit. I might just close it since it's back in the cloud. I think I'm going to close my short-term bake trade really quick before I go back to bed. Um, RVN is holding pretty well. It's at the top of the cloud, and we didn't really get a full reset on the Stoke. I'm not too worried, but the biggest thing that's worrying isn't the alts. There's the MPXS. One of my big long-term trades, still running back up. Not where it was at the all-time high, but I did get a new entry down here. I told you guys right at like 19, right at that horizontal line. That's where I bought back in, so I'm doing really well on that one. If you look at ETH and BTC, that will tell you, right? So we got rejected from the horizontal resistance up here at 54, but we're going to run probably to the 1618 extension. We just need one more reset over here on the 4 hour. The last reset on the 4 hour, if you look over here, we came down slightly, right? Like, look, we came down right here. Wasn't that big of a dump. Then we got the nice run up. Now we're going to have another small little retrace. I do have a long-term BTC position. I'm not closing that. I'm just going to let that ride because I still think we're going all the way back up to close to 60K, if not 60K. And with Ethereum, same thing. We're correcting here, correcting a little bit faster, but I'm going to leave my long-term ETH position open. I closed my long-term LTC position because I expected us to get this dip. Now, shorter term stuff I had gotten into last night. We got great initial breakouts, but this retrace, I'm probably going to close out some of those trades, and then I could buy back in. I could always buy back in. FIL's doing well. That'll probably hold along the bottom of the cloud with the Ichimoku dynamic supports. I'm not going to sell that one. Plus, the Stoke has retraced quite a bit, so I'm not going to touch that. Right now, I can't tell you exactly what I'll do in every single trade. I'm just going to go back to sleep, and before I do, I'm going to adjust some of these trades. So I'm not as helpful as I usually am, but I think tomorrow I'll feel a lot better because the kids have been really sick, but it didn't really hit me at all, and then it just hit me today, but I think it's like a one-day thing. I'm pretty sure I'll be back to 100% tomorrow. So that's really all I got for you right now. Expect to dip overnight, and then tomorrow morning to midday, we'll start to see a reversal. If the market opens up strong tomorrow, if the stock market opens up strong, we'll probably at 9 a.m. tomorrow start pushing up. So this is probably going to be a short-lived dip. I'm not saying liquidate all of your positions and get out of the entire market. I think we're going to pump tomorrow. I think the market's going to rebound nicely tomorrow. I think we're going to get some upward momentum because of all this crazy spending the government's about to do. Anyway, that's it for now. Just know that this correction was obvious, this little dip, and It'll end shortly, and then we'll resume upward because we're still overall bullish.